In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you need to save an important discussion, capture training material, or keep a record of key decisions, recording the meeting in Microsoft Teams can be very helpful. The good news is that the process is simple and only takes a moment once your call or meeting has already started. To begin, make sure you are currently inside an active Microsoft Teams call or meeting. This is important because the recording option only becomes available once the meeting is in progress. So before looking for any controls, confirm that you've already joined the call and that the meeting interface is visible on your screen. Once you're in the meeting, look for the recording control and click on record. This is the action that starts capturing the meeting audio, video, and any shared content, depending on your meeting setup and permissions. After you click record, Teams may display a notification letting participants know that the meeting is being recorded. That's normal and it helps keep everyone informed. If you don't immediately see the option, take a second to carefully check the meeting controls in the toolbar. In some versions of Teams, recording options say some functions may appear within additional menu controls rather than directly on the main bar. The key point is that you need to start from inside the live meeting and then select record from the available controls. It's also a good idea to make sure you have the proper permission to record. In some organizations, the ability to record meetings depends on your account settings or admin policies. So if the option is missing or unavailable, that may be the reason. One helpful tip is to start the recording only when you're ready to capture the important part of the conversation. That keeps the final recording more focused and easier to review later. Also, if you're presenting or sharing your screen, make sure everything you want included is already prepared before you begin recording. And that's really all there is to it. To record a Microsoft Teams meeting, join the call or meeting first, then click record to begin. It's a quick and practical feature that can make meetings easier to document, revisit, and share when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently start recording your Microsoft Teams meeting.